Ayo, my spooky bosses, and welcome back. Well, we're about halfway through October, and we hope everyone is watching some scary movies, decorating, and just getting into the festivities. Halloween is fast approaching, and we have a great dish for you today. We're going to show you how to make some festive and spooky quesadillas. This dish doesn't take long to make, only a key few ingredients, and you can have a lot of fun while you're making it. We think everyone's going to make this, and it's a 2-for-1, a spooky dish, and we're making quesadillas for the first time. So if everyone could just turn those lights down low, light some candles, because we're going to get cooking. The first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Next up, Chef has some medium tortillas. Don't forget, you can buy Gluten Free Tortillas. And all he's going to do is just with a small paring knife, carve up just a different design, and you can do whatever you want. And it looks like Chef is going to go with the classic jack-o'-lantern, but feel free to have fun with it. And there you have it, nice classic jack-o'-lantern. Next up, Chef is going to take 2 cups of rotisserie chicken already cooked, and he's using barbecue for a little extra flavor, and he chopped them up in his chopper and just put them in a large bowl. Next, just add a couple drops of lime juice, and if you have a half a lime, feel free to just squeeze a half a lime. Next up, Chef's going to use some garlic powder as well as some cayenne pepper, and then just mix these together. Don't forget, all the ingredients will be listed down below, but feel free to use whatever spices you like and however much you want. Make it hotter or milder. Next up, Chef's going to take a cooking sheet pan and just spray it. After that, he's going to take 2 more tortillas and put them down as your base. He's going to take that chicken, and just kind of place it around. Depending on how big you want your tortilla, add less or more chicken. And then next up, he's going to add the cheese. And Chef made it easy. He just went out and bought a package of Mexican cheese, which is sharp cheddar, Monterey Jack, quesadilla cheese mixed in. Chef's now going to go ahead and place the scary top right on. And it looks like Chef's wife went with the classic non-festive tortilla. Chef's going to go ahead and just brush some canola oil right on top. And then place these in his oven. And these are going to go in for about 15 minutes or until you want them out. So less crispy or more crispy. After right around that 15 mark though, Chef took it out and they look really nice. Got some nice crispy edges. And Chef even said, throw a little bit of hot sauce on there to make it more scary, make it more festive. I think it did okay. So there you have it, everybody. Eat, drink, and be scary this festive. We hope you enjoyed this video. It was a fun one to make, and you can definitely make this with your kids. Just make sure you do all the carving and make some fun designs with them. Again, we're about halfway through October, everyone, and we hope you're having fun out there. We can't wait to put some more videos out, especially for this Halloween season. And don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.